Welcome to today's video. My name is Satwant from Digital Money Lab. Today, I want to show you how you can easily increase sales on your Shopify store by accepting cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. As you're probably aware, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin have increased in popularity over the past few years, and there are now millions of people all over the world who use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to pay for goods online and in-store. Okay, so I'm logged into this Shopify demo store, and the first thing we need to do is click the settings button on the bottom left corner. Next, we need to click payment providers, which is the second option down from the left. Now there's a panel here of different payment menu options. So what we need to do is scroll down to the fourth one, which is alternative payment methods. So let's click that. So in this list, you will find three cryptocurrency providers. So the first one there is BitPay. The second one is Coinbase Commerce. And the third one is GoCoin. So let's click BitPay first. As you can see at the bottom there, BitPay only allows you to accept Bitcoin. Now all you need to do to set this up with your Shopify store is enter your API key in the middle there. And you'll get that from obviously the BitPay website. Once you've gone through the sign up process to get an account, you'll get that API key and then you can enter it in the middle here and activate it to get going. So now let's go back to the alternative provider page and click the second one, which is Coinbase Commerce. So here, the great thing about Coinbase Commerce is that they allow you to accept 4 different types of cryptocurrencies. So in addition to Bitcoin, you've now got Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So that's great because different people obviously like to use different types of coin in the stages that we're at right now with crypto. And again, to enter those details required there, the API and email, you simply go to your Coinbase Commerce site, obviously sign up and set up the account, and then you'll get those details which you can enter in the middle here. So let's go back to the page and look at the final one, which is GoCoin. So let's click GoCoin here. And this is a bit of a happy medium between the previous two. So in addition to Bitcoin, you can accept Litecoin, but not any other currencies. And again, to enter the merchant ID and the other key that's required here, simply go to this site, the GoCoin website, sign up as a merchant, and you'll get all the information that you need to copy and then paste into here to then activate that for your Shopify store. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found that information to be useful. If you want to discuss how to accept payments faster and increase sales in your company by accepting cryptocurrencies, please go to my website, digitalmoneylab.com, where you'll be able to book a free 15-minute online consultation. During that, I'd be very happy to discuss your current payment situation and recommend the next steps to make it easier for your customers to buy from you. Alternatively, you can also click the Contact Us button on the website and fill out the form, and I can get in touch. Once again, many thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.